Welcome to this session on 10 tips to design engaging compliance training with iSpring. Let's jump in. Make compliance training relatable with real-life scenarios and case studies. Create branching scenarios so learners can make choices and experience the consequences. Incorporate drag-and-drop activities, quizzes, knowledge checks, and mini-games to reinforce concepts. Use iSpring simulation tool to build realistic simulations for learners to practice procedures in a risk-free environment. Break up text with images, videos, and infographics, and include videos, testimonials, or animated clips to break the monotony. Create short, focused modules on complex compliance topics and create job-specific modules for different employee groups. Use the iSpring Learn LMS or iSpring Space to facilitate online discussions and encourage learners to ask questions and share experiences. Acknowledge achievements with points, badges, and leaderboards and create challenges on specific concepts to be embedded within courses or offered as LMS activities. Use iSpring's responsive design feature to optimize courses for any screen size. Provide offline access through the iSpring Learn mobile app to allow learners to access training even without internet. Incorporate adaptive learning paths based on learners' needs and performance. Offer free navigation within the course so learners can take charge of their own learning. Create scenario-based and open-ended questions with detailed feedback to reinforce learning. Use iSpring Learn's reporting system to track learner progress, scores, and completion rates. Use surveys and feedback mechanisms within the LMS to identify areas for improvement and refine the training programs continuously. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.